Sunday that are probably not gonna happen now. I don't even know what to do, guys, at this point. It's just like, it's Zack's car's worth a lot of money. There's a ton of money and parts on it. People steal stuff out here, sadly. This, I don't know how many more attempts we have left at this. It's rather depressing. So military mic's up there, guys. I've recorded some of this on my phone. I've recorded none of this really on the DJI, but my phone is now dead. I have no power cord. It's just like, we got Tig, Zack, and Mike, and Krista. Whenever you watch this, I'm sorry. The rope breaks now. I did grab Jack's rope somewhere over here. I'm trying my hardest not to use it because I do not want to break that one and have him upset with me, but we're gonna give it one more shot, guys. There we go, guys. There we go. Oh my God! What the hell just happened? Oh my God! So fast, I can't even. This is how we're starting off our video.
Pumping up.
Where are we going, Jack?
Sir?
Where are we going?
We're going to the border.
That's right. We made it back, guys. Oh my God, I slept a few hours. I am beat, man. That was a very rough night. I told you guys I'd give an update, and here we are. We do have an update. The car did make it back. Tim went last night, or this morning, and got, what happened to your car, bro? I don't know, man. Somebody stole it, obviously.
Hung out at Wash 6 too much.
Yeah, we were listening to mariachi music, and then what happened next? Next thing you know, we're like, bam! Well, the good news is, it's back at camp. How did you get this? Were you with Tim?
Yeah, I got up at 8 this morning.
Oh.
It was terrible. I literally, when I woke up, I was like, I don't even care if it's gone. I just want to sleep.
Yeah.
I was falling asleep in the car, dude, when they were doing the knots and stuff, and I stayed in there.
I know.
I'm like, micro nap.
Micro nap. The good news is, he made it back. Zack's safe. Everybody's safe. And then poor Chad,
he's not safe.
He's alive.
No, that part is. Yeah.
He ripped one tab off, right, and cracked the control arm.
Yeah.
So
his is realistic. tab.
Yeah.
Tab's the biggest issue. I mean, but it still has part of the hole there. Like,
Right.
it's fixable.
It's fixable. Never a dull day with the dirt dudes. Anyways, we're going to Duner's Diner, guys. We'll see you in a second.
I'm hungry. You hungry?
We made it. I blew a chunk of my belt. I forgot to press record. We're at Duner's Diner. If you've never been here before, it's awesome. They got pretty decent food. They got good looking French fries. Blew a chunk of my belt out. I think I said that already. And yeah, we've got like, I don't even know, we've got like 20 people with us right now. 30, no, maybe 30. A bunch of people at this table, our whole camp crew. A bunch of people over there. And we're gonna eat some food. And then after that, we're gonna go to the Mexican border. Excited. Dinner was good, guys. They actually got pretty good food. We got Jack here, we got Will here, Marissa, Brian, who's her dad. We got my mom and Krista. I don't know where they went. And we're gonna go to the border wall real quick just because I've never been there. We're gonna take a quick picture and then we're gonna Dune back. So sorry I forgot to press record, guys, while I was driving. I'm like running on half steam right now. I might actually go to bed before midnight tonight. So anyways, let's go to the border wall real quick. We made it to Mexico, guys. Right there, that's Mexico, right there. We got the whole squad coming in, backing up. So there's dunes on the other side of these walls. I don't know if they ride them or not, but this is the wall. See? Mexico. You guys want to go to Mexico real quick? But all right, let's get back to America. It just feels different over there. Let's come back over here. We're gonna put baby Miles' hand through the wall since he is half Mexican, and he's gonna get to feel a little bit of his people in the air, if you will. You know what I mean? Oh, I don't know why I've never came to the border wall like when we go to Duner's Diner in the past, but here we are. Apparently Bryce is trying to crawl over into Mexico. Get off that wall. There's people that pay good money to come over that wall. Look, we got baby Miles over there. We're gonna put baby Miles' hand through the wall. Come here, Miles. Come on. He's half
another country.
He's half Mexican. He needs to feel his people.
All of a sudden he starts
He needs to feel his culture. Yeah, wasn't he?
His
All of a
first
sudden-
words.
he starts talking in
Hola. Here we go,
Spanish.
look.
Mexican on
Look at that.
Mexican.
Put your hand through it.
You're in
Yeah,
Mexico.
You're in Mexico. Okay. Our half Mexican child has officially been culturized. Is that a word?
Now he's gone to 7 states and 2 countries.
Yeah.
Look at that.
Look at you.
Making moves, baby Miles.
You were traveling for a
He's traveling
5-month-old.
fool. Yeah.
I know, Miles, he officially felt his culture. He already, instead of saying goo goo gaga, he's saying ja 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 ja.
He already rolled his R's.
Apparently, Border Patrol is coming. Everybody's going crazy. They're all getting their cars out of here.
You have to go to the drag strip right here.
Oh,
Golden Wheels
is it?
drags going on right now.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, Golden Wheels has his own drags.
Do they? I don't know. Should we go, guys? I mean, it's not like you're making the decision up for me because you won't see this for like a week or two. But we'll see what happens. Let's get out of here before Border Patrol arrest us. middle of the desert. What happened?
I went around a berm and my tire kind of went like this and I couldn't turn.
That's not good. Let's see the results of that. Aurora's killing it in this RS1, by the way, guys. This wasn't actually her fault. This was actually her parents' fault for lack of maintenance. How do you feel? Whoa, where are you going? Where are you going? We need to interview you, man. Oh my God.
Lack of maintenance.
That's journalism at its finest, ladies and gentlemen. We tried to get an interview with the dad. What do you think, babe? We brought Krista out for the rest of
Hi,
this.
I made it out. I had to come. I couldn't see back when it was Aurora. 10-year-old right here.
This is our little homie. I keep patting her head. Sorry about that. Get out of my way, Aurora. Easy children. So we got the mad scientist Mike, who said, and I quote earlier, "I will not work on anything again." He lied. Anyways, we came out here, we picked him up. I am not going to be on a 5 o'clock in the morning rescue mission again, guys. No way. Oh, P Mizzle's over there, my poor little whip. I think I hit the whoop so hard that I don't know, I need to check that out. Sorry, guys. See, they both still work. Cool. All right, it's only 6:30 at night instead of 6:30 in the morning, so this is a good thing. Let's go say hey to everybody. Now, can I get an interview really quick, Matt? Could you talk to me about what happened?
Lost my voice.
Oh my God. I almost got him, guys. Got Kyle, Amanda Chimney-Wittawoski, Jared, Ashley, Casey, Zachary.
That's my name. Don't wear it out.
Where have you been?
Here.
You disappeared.
What are you talking about?
Amanda.
Oh, when I was going straight?
Amanda blew her belt.
Yeah, I was busy doing 80 down the road.
I was like,
Yeah, me and him were fucking hauling.
Oh, I know.
You went off to the left and slowed way down, and then they're like, "Oh, Jonathan took off." We're like, "We never passed us."
We was us four, and then I saw Amanda wave like just wham, and I was like,
We sat there at the end for like 20 minutes waiting, and they passed, and we didn't see you. So then we get here, and they're like,
oh,
"Yeah,
I pulled off to watch the sunset.
Oh, okay.
I was like, that's such a beautiful sunset.
Yeah.
Sorry.
People want to see. What did you call this, Michigan mud?
That's a Michigan trail patch right there. That baby's good for another 600 miles or so.
I mean, honestly, I feel like it'll last the rest of the week.
It may.
Yeah. These Michiganders, man, they'll fix anything. You give them a broke down airplane, they'll turn into a helicopter, I'll tell you that much. Okay, guys, update. Zach is going to take Krista for a ride.
I would never do that to her.
She said after everything she saw last night, it made her really feel motivated to ride with Zach.
What did you say?
Oh, about how excited you are to ride with Zach.
Thrilled. Yeah, I'm jumping for joy. Yeah.
If you have a death wish,
Yeah.
sign me up.
So, I guess Marissa jumped in Aurora's car. She's gonna drive it back. I don't really know what's going on right now. But they got the car back together, so that's good. Any final thoughts?
Glad that it's not 5 o'clock in the morning and we're making it back to camp
That is
at a relatively good time. I said that too soon. We still have a little ways to go.
Last night we thought we were gonna get back to camp. It was like 1 in the morning, and then 2 in the morning, then 3 in the morning, then 4, and then 5. That's what I'm talking about.
Alright guys, we almost made it to sunset. We're out here with Off-Road Diaries. Old Jonathan New down here in the sand on his hands and knees trying to get this tire to hold some air. John, what is going on?